In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do an everyday purple eyeshadow look using Maskcara Beauty. A smoky purple eyeshadow look is one of my favorites and it looks gorgeous on any eye color. I already have one eye completed and I'm going to show you guys how to finish the other eye. So first thing you want to do is make sure that your eyes are primed. I just use Maskcara's highlight for this, but when you do prime your eyes, it's going to be a little tacky, so you're going to want to go in with a light color. In this case, we're using the color Cupcake with the blend and tap brush. Doing this gets rid of the tackiness and sets the highlight. It also creates a smooth base for the other eyeshadows we are going to use to glide on smoothly. Apply Cupcake all over the lid and along your bottom lash line. Next, we are going to add some dimension to the crease and inner and outer corners of the eye using this matte purple Midnight. This is technically considered a halo eye when you apply a darker shade on the inner and outer corners of the lid and then pack a lighter shimmery shade in the center. So you'll have a blank spot in the center of your eye. This is where our next color goes. Blend, blend, blend until the edges of all the color look soft. Don't worry about it looking perfect. You can always clean up after with your highlight. Lastly, add a little along your lower lash line. This gives you that smoky look. Keep adding more Midnight until you get it to the darkness you like. Now we are going to fill in the empty area in the center of your lid. This is where we will place GG. Use the domed end of the blend and tap brush to pat, not sweep, a little in the center of your lid. This is just our base layer of GG. To make that GG more intense and really shimmer and shine, I like to do a thing called foiling. Foiling is basically where you mix your eyeshadow with a liquid like setting spray or water, then apply it to your eyelid. It intensifies any shimmer eyeshadow and makes it look metallic. For my liquid here, I'm using Maskcara's setting spray called Stay. First, pick up some GG on the domed end of the blend and tap brush. Next, spritz your brush with Stay a couple times. Apply it in patting motions to the center of your eyelid over the first layer of GG. I like to go back in with my Midnight again and touch up or deepen it. The reasoning for this is because after adding GG, it lessened the intensity of Midnight, so I like to go in and deepen Midnight a little more. After making all the tweaks I feel are necessary, I like to use my highlight color to clean up. I didn't feel it needed it here, but I do it most of the time when doing my eyeshadow. The last and final step to finish things off is to add some eyeliner. I'm using Maskcara's cream eyeliner called Black Friday. To apply it, use the angled flat end of the hotline brush, load it up with a little eyeliner, and apply it to your top lash line. I'm also adding a little bit on my bottom lash line, just the outer corner, and smudging it with the blend and tap brush to give a more smoky look. And you're done! I'd love to see your finished eye look if you try it. Have you ever tried a purple eyeshadow look? Let me know in the comments. And P.S. if you'd like to know what eyeshadows would look great with your eye color, take my color match quiz at eyeshalyn.com/colormatch.